How to get $100 7-Eleven promo code. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get $100 7-Eleven promo code. There are various coupon websites like Coupon Follow, Coupon Chief, Groupon, or Retail Me Not where you can get promo codes for 7-Eleven. Here I'm going to use Retail Me Not website. For that, first of all, you will need to open your Chrome browser or any other browser you prefer. Once you open the Chrome browser, in the search bar you need to type retailmenot.com. Once you have entered this keyword, now press the go button of your keyboard to search for it. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of Retail Me Not. Once you reach to this page, here in the top you will find the search bar. Tap on the search bar and there type in 7-Eleven. You may also get the suggestions at the bottom. Tap on the 7-Eleven. And now you will be presented with all the promo codes available for 7-Eleven on this platform. From here, you need to search for the one that is similar to $100. Also make sure you choose the one that is not expired. Once you find the coupon that you would like to use, you need to first tap on the coupon name, and once you tap on it, now you will be presented with that promo code. You can simply tap on this copy button presented at the right side and then it will be copied successfully to your clipboard. Now you can directly go to 7-Eleven website by tapping on 7-Eleven, and then from there in the checkout section, you can use this promo code to redeem and apply it on your products. So by following these steps, you should be able to get $100 promo code for 7-Eleven. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.